This is the newest, biggest, and trending cafe in the Philippines. This cafe can accommodate up to 1,400 guests and features a giant LED screen, an elevator, and soon a fountain and a recreational park. They don't just serve coffee, drinks, and pastries. They also offer international dishes proudly prepared by our very own Filipino chef. And this massive cafe is located right here in City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Shush! So nag-teleport kami dito sa Sakop Ground, City of San Fernando, sa bandang McDonald's Maimpis at Mother Teresa of Calcutta para puntahan ang nagto-trending na our cafe. Sa labas pa lang makikita mo agad yung malaking LED screen na talagang eye-catching. At good news, hindi nyo po problemahan ng parking dahil sobrang lawak ng parking area nila. As soon as you enter, ang lawak agad at sobrang sarap sa mata dahil sa mga live plants. Halos every corner parang gusto mo talagang magpa-picture. Perfect hangout place for families, barkada, and even pang dates. Speaking of families and barkadas, kinausap ko mismo yung mga customers nila na nag-dine in dito para marinig yung honest feedback at experience nila dito sa our cafe.
First impression po, syempre malaki po and it's very bright po since the color is white. Order ko is caramel macchiato. Okay no food and drinks on their price. Sobrang laki po, tas ano po, ang ganda po ng yung design. Tas sa labas din po, ang ganda-ganda po. Tsaka po yung, ang lamig-lamig po dito, pwede po matulog. Yung Oreo po and yung bulgogi pizza po. Sobrang sarap po. Very yummy.
Aesthetic talaga. Yun, parang sulit naman yung pagpunta namin kahit malayo from San Luis pa kami. Saka mabait yung ano nila, yung mga clothing. Sinarip ng staff mo.
How's your overall dining experience dito sa our cafe?
Okay naman po, masarap, saka marami yung servings.
Ano yung first impression dito sa our cafe?
Pag pumasok ka, galante yung mga papasok, saka magaganda at gwapo.
What's your experience naman po sa food, drinks, and the overall dining?
Well, sa tingin mo, very satisfied, no? Masarap lahat. With regards dun sa accommodation ninyo, well-served yung mga nag-serve ninyo. At the same time, yung venue, napakalinis at napakagalante ng dating.
At dito ko din nakilala si Ma'am Jeanette Argel.
Our cafe is the newest and biggest cafe in the Philippines. We have elevator and also LED. We serve international dishes and our employees, they are friendly and accommodating. Come and visit our cafe. Operating hours Monday to Sunday from 6 a.m. until 12 midnight. During weekends from 6 a.m. until 1 a.m.
So tara, kain na tayo. Unahin na natin tong crunchy, cheesy, loaded sa toppings at perfect na pang-share na Nacho Supreme. Nagustuhan ko rin yung Caesar salad nila. Creamy pero very light lang. Meron din silang chicken dito tulad ng soy garlic chicken at yangnyeom chicken. For pasta lovers, try nyo yung meaty na spaghetti bolognese at yung creamy na truffle pasta. Hindi ko inakala na meron din silang soup dito. This is their chicken vegetable soup. Next is their beef stir-fry. Tender yung beef slices at perfect match talaga sa rice. Meron din silang fusion ng Italian at Korean, yung bulgogi pizza, na perfect din for sharing. At syempre, meron din silang wide range of pastries. Hindi ko na maisa-isa sa dami pero overall good quality. Pagdating sa mga drinks, napakarami din nilang coffee and non-coffee options. Hindi ko na din maisa-isa lahat pero highly recommended ko yung taro nila. Nako, ang sarap nito. Overall, our cafe is trending for a reason. Hindi lang dahil sobrang laki niya, kundi dahil ramdam mo talaga na pinag-isipan nila yung bawat detalye. Pinagsama nila yung magandang ambience, quality food and drinks, at yung overall experience sa isang place. Hindi lang siya cafe na pupuntahan mo para magpa-picture, pero lugar na gugustuhin mong balikan, tambayan at gumawa ng memories. Isa pa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, sobrang babait at accommodating ng mga staffs nila. Ramdam mo talaga yung care nila sa mga customers. Hit sa lahat, pinapakinggan nila yung mga feedback ng mga customers. Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung improvement nila para mas gumanda pa yung experience ng lahat. If you're looking for the most trending at pinakamalaking coffee shop dito sa Pilipinas ngayon, na located lang dito sa City of San Fernando, Pampanga, this is definitely a place na dapat nasa listahan nyo. Because at the end of the day, our cafe is not just about coffee, it's about our moments. On to the next YOLO moment, mga master. Shush!